Underrated in terms of looks, underappreciated in terms of performance, but still a Camaro. Let's check it out. Hi, today we're unboxing a 1996 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. The scale is 118, manufactured by Ertl, the American muscle line. The release date was 1995, and the part number is 7232. Let's dig in. The first thing a collector should do when unboxing a new model is inspecting it, and for a good reason. You can clearly see that the door hinges are a tad loose on this one. The model looks and feels like a 90s Ertl, which means it might not have the best paint job since it's entry-level diecast, and it was probably in storage for close to 30 years. But look, I paid $25 for it, so I'm not complaining. This is a 4th generation Camaro, and it's the last F-body Chevrolet produced before they retired the entire platform. This 1996 Z28 came with the LT1 5.7-liter V8 as standard. The engine, which was also used in other GM sports cars like the Firebird Trans Am and the Corvette C4, produced 285 horsepower at 5200 RPM and 325 pound-feet of torque. Here's a 4th gen Z28 in polo green and another in Arctic white. The model has what you would expect from a collector's edition Ertl, which is a fair amount of details, like this front end emblem and the bow tie emblem as well. The hood does open, and it reveals the small block V8 engine, which is, I have to say, well detailed, which is lovely to see. The engine bay, headlights, and fog lights are also properly detailed. Just like most other Ertls, the model does have a working suspension. The interior quality is so-so. Again, no expectations, but this looks a bit plasticky. Everything's detailed, but the material is kinda dull. The seats aren't adjustable, but the front wheels are steerable. The rear spoiler is cool, but the trunk or boot doesn't open. The exhaust tips aren't great, but it's not a big deal. The chrome in the wheels is somewhat too chromy, if that makes sense. But with the Camaro name, the feel of a muscle car, and the Z28 badges, the whole thing is a bit nostalgic. The 4th gen Camaro isn't the most popular or sought after, even though the V8 equipped ones performed well and were probably the most aerodynamic Camaros ever made. The model is good, but I wouldn't pay much for it. I'm not sure if anyone other than Ertl made this one, so it would certainly complete your Camaro collection. And that's that.